Liberty's Cozy Corner. In today's video, I'm going to be doing rainbow loom. I'm so excited. I absolutely love rainbow loom. I only want to do one style though, so yeah. But I just got this new desk for Christmas. Today is the 25th. It is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's 9:56. And it's Wednesday. It's the 25th of December. So yeah, I just got this new desk for Christmas and I'll show you guys it right now. A new desk and I got this hydro flask and I put stickers all over it. I got clothes, I got notebooks, I got all of this stuff. I got skincare. I got a lot of new makeup. And I got this desk. So yeah, I absolutely love this desk. The best desk ever. And then I got this iPad. So yeah, these videos are going to be way better quality because I just got a new iPad. It's an Apple iPad. I used to film on a Samsung iPad, so now I'm filming on an Apple iPad. Very exciting. So yeah, if you guys want to get onto this video, let's go. So I just got this rainbow loom for Christmas. And by the way, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. This is just for fun. So yeah. I already made this rainbow loom today. Super cute. I really don't know how to connect them, so I just kind of threw them. But yeah. Oh my god, what was that? If you hear that really loud banging, it's because my brother got drums. I'm trying to film a YouTube video. Keep it down. So I do not have a case on my iPad, so I'm really scared. So this is what it looks like. It has an instruction manual thing. I'm not going to be using the actual rainbow loom. I'm just going to be using this thingamajig. And I'm going to be doing pink, turquoise, and white. So, yes, these are the colors that I'm using. Pink, silicone, and white. Pink, silicone, and white. No. Okay. So, first thing that you're going to do is take your little, thingamajigger, and then take, if it comes with, a cap thing, mine comes with, a cap thing, and then I just put the first color that I want on, and the first color that I want on is turquoise. And then, you have to twist the first one. So you take it like this and you twist it like that. And then you put, so what I do is here, it's hard to show you guys. But I go like that and then I twist it and then I put it on the other side here. So we have this and then I just twisted, this one fell actually. And guys, it had fallen off of there so I had to get it off. Up. And then you just take the ones and just put it just regularly. And then you take the first one and you go like this. And you kind of take both of the sides. So you give you a good look. So you take both of the sides and pull them up. So you pull them over the little ones. And then you take another color of your choice. And then you put it on there. So my color is turquoise. So yeah. And then you're just gonna take the next color one that you have, and then pop it through like that. So it's very easy. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. If you're wondering, Liberty, you only have one earring in. That's because I didn't lose it. It just doesn't go in. It just doesn't want to go in. So we're just going to live with this for now. I'm still in my pajamas because it's 10:08 right now. And we're just chilling. So, yeah. And then after that, you want to take the same color, or if you're doing 3, I'm doing 3, so I just took the same color, and then put it on top. And then you just want to keep, here, I'll show you guys close up. You just take this by the side. You get it under the last one and you pull it up to the very top. You leave that there. You go to the other side, pull it, put it all up. There you go. Now I'm just going to fast forward this. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. BTW, this takes forever. This is how far I've gotten so far. I kind of stopped the camera and watched some YouTube, and that's how far I've gotten. Still kind of far. If it gets stuck like right there, by the way, this is called a mini rainbow loom. If it gets stuck right here, you can just pull it out, and then you can just like kind of go like this and like, you know, keep doing it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it. Okay guys, sorry about that. My brother actually called, my friend called me and then we started talking. So yeah. So basically what I did is I made it as long as I wanted. Then there are three. You take the first one, you take the last one like you always did and put it on top like regular. Then you don't put another rubber band on. Then you take the next one, put it on top. The like one at the bottom, put it on top. And then you get this. So this is what it should look like. Ew, there's something on my hand. Yeah, that's what it should look like. And then you just take it off. Oh, first, before you do that, you want to get one of those clear, like, those things. Yeah. So you just want to get one of those. And then take your rainbow loom. Take the very back one. There should be, like, a little loop right here, as you can see. So just take that one before you even take it off so it's still connected. Connect it. Sorry, there's a stain on my shirt. But yeah. Okay. Now you're just going to want to take this and put it through the loop. There you go. So it looks like kind of messy, like, you know, like that. And then you can just put it on your wrist. And mine stretches out a little bit because I'm putting mine on my ankle. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. And you can also put it... I'm going to make one for my hydro flask. Okay, I'm going to make one for my hydro flask. But that you can put on your ankle, you can put on your hydro flask, you can put on your mirror, you can put it basically anywhere. So this is what it should turn out to be like. Super cute. And I did not use the real like rainbow loom thing, but you don't have to use that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And then in the next one. Bye guys!